Amazon just made some important policy changes in 2026 that affects your profit, reimbursement, fee structure, and buy box eligibility. In this video, I will explain what's officially updated and how it impacts your bottom line and where to read the exact policy changes yourself. So in this video, these are the topics which we will be talking about. So these are the policies: FBA reimbursement policy, Amazon return policy, CM storage update, buy box rule changes, official link to Amazon policy. Welcome back to Muscle Solutions, where we update you for every new policy and we give you accurate data about everything on Amazon. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. So there is a change in FBA reimbursement policy in 2026. Now reimbursements are based on manufacturing cost, not selling price. Previously, it was based on like whatever the selling price you were selling at that point of reimbursement, Amazon deduct their fees and give you the amount. But now they just calculate an average manufacturing cost by an idea and give you reimbursement from that. So this applies to lost and damaged inventory. This implies uh, to missing shipment inventory. So this is enforced via Service Central portal and it is effective since March 2025 and enforced in 2026. So it is still active and it is going accordingly. So this means what this means? This means lower reimbursement for loss and damage inventory. If your cost base is much lower than selling price, sellers must track this through the inventory defect and reimbursement portal. So the links to policy updates, these are in the description, so you can check description. You can also check FBA seller, Amazon seller forum for FBA reimbursement update, inventory defect and reimbursement policy, new reimbursement policy, but I have provided links in description. So return policy update. So there is a new update in this policy as well. Amazon allows now partial refunds without physical returns for eligible products in key matrices markets, for example, US, Europe, and this is for FBA. Previously in FBA there was no partial refund option, only in FBA there was a partial refund option, but now we do have a partial refund option. So this can reduce cost and time for returns, like seller control thresholds, partial refunds without one, reduce return abuse. This can reduce return abuse as well. So these are available in fulfillment settings. You will go to fulfillment settings and then there's a tab which says that partial refunds. You need to activate it because it is disabled by default. So activate it accordingly and put some percentage, whatever percentage you want as a partial refund. So that's how it works. So yeah, so there are major changes coming in FBA fee insurance in 2026. So there is no increase in US referral fee, but there is small increases in FBA fee. Some seller benefits like waived inbound placement fees for new selection program were introduced. This means fee stability, but sellers still need to optimize their fee strategy. So what are the major changes? FBA fees will increase by an average of 0.8 cents per unit sold or less than 0.5% of an average item selling price from January 2026. Standard size products priced between $10 to $50. So their fulfillment fee range will increase by 0.25 cents and large standard products will increase by 0.05 cents per unit on average. There are some things in buy box as well. Amazon tightened buy box criteria in 2026. Seller must keep strong matrices. First of all, you should have professional seller account, on-time delivery rate, low negative feedback, strong wallet tracking rate, good account health like in the green lines. Pricing should be competitive. Customers should end up having a positive, leaving a positive feedback. So these are the things by which you will win buy box. You cannot win buy box along this price now. Okay, so there are two new things introduced as well. These are Somerset holidays, enhanced transparency for delivery days. So that You can set your working holidays, and you can keep your tracking rate, keep your valid tracking rate, keep your everything accurate. Okay, so what sellers must do? Amazon General Policy changes. Amazon General Seller Policy changes define key expectations, product compliance, customer service, etc. Staying updated is essential. So seller must receive the seller central announcement, enable partial refunds, beneficial review, reimbursement, impacts on profit margin, monitor buy box matrices weekly as explained, check seller central for announcements regularly, save official policy links and bookmark them, adjust your sourcing and pricing, and keep all invoices compliant. Thank you. That was for today. What monthly Amazon policy updates? If you want monthly Amazon policy updates and it really matters to you, download the updated summary and official policy link in description. Also drop a comment with Amazon policy you want me to explain, and do like and subscribe for my channel to get verified Amazon seller updates you can use right away. We also provide account reinstatement help and also account management help. So you can also talk to me on that. Just put a comment and we can talk right away. Thank you so much, and we will meet next month in February for more policy update videos. This is a month to month basis videos from now on. Thank you.